morning guys, I'm SHWETAVIJAY. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So today I am stepping out of the house. We are invited to my uncle's place. This is like something that we do for my mom once in a month because both of them, that is Nivi and my mom, are confined in the house. And at the same time, it's an outing for mom and Nirvana. Otherwise, she just gets to see my face and mom's face. So this way she's like, oh, so you do have other family members. It's the weekend, so I just wanted to show you how I go about, starting from my morning skincare all the way till the evening. I don't know if it's going to be an exciting one, but let me just take you through a day in my life. Okay guys, so I am going to just show you what my weekend skincare routine looks like. It's nothing different from a daily skincare routine, but today I just want to exfoliate, then a face wash before brushing my teeth is oil pulling. Now if you followed me for a while, you guys know that I love the concept of oil pulling. It is an Ayurvedic concept called AMA. This is something that I follow because I love various Ayurvedic concepts, and AMA is something that back in the day people used to do with oil. Okay, it could be sesame oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, whatever oil that you resonate with. I prefer coconut oil, something that is unrefined, unbleached. It has to have no mineral oils added to it. It has to be of the purest form. I love the one from the Tribe Concepts. You guys know that this brand and I discovered them when they were just budding, so it just makes my heart swell with joy when I know that they're doing extremely well, and so many of you have loved the Tribe Concepts. I have got a discount code, so if you want to save on your money, please go check it out and gift yourself something for Diwali. You can do something from Tribe Concepts. The ideas that comes out of this brand to make sustainable packaging and to just do something that gives you the best of best raw organic skincare, it just resonates with me a lot more because they also follow the concept of Ayurveda. So yeah, I'm just going to take a teaspoon of this. Sorry, I'm going to swirl it around my mouth, okay? For about 18 minutes because I'm used to it. I look like someone who's eaten pan. I love coconut oil. I like to swish it around my mouth for about 18 to 19 minutes. Okay, you don't exceed more than 20 minutes. It has to be 20 minutes and less. And yes, I do put a timer for this. You have to make sure that the oil goes in between your teeth as well. It somehow makes the teeth whiter, and it's very, very good for gingivitis and also very good for bad breath. I know this is not a big, well-researched concept because my husband's a dentist, and whenever he sees me do this, he just raises his eyebrow like, really? But he just lets me be because he knows that this makes me happy. And spit it out in the dustbin, never into the sink, because you don't want extra virgin coconut oil especially has a way of solidifying in the sink as well, so it becomes really difficult. Spit it out, and then you can go about with brushing your teeth, mouthwash. So right after oil pulling, I go and brush my teeth, and I use the Oral-B electronic brush. For me, an electronic brush really works much better because, like I said, I'm married to a dentist, so that's the biggest tip he has given me, that actually normal brush just doesn't work as well as an electronic brush. This is gum tone gel. I have explained about this 1,000 times. I think for the last 2 years I've been screaming and shouting about gum tone gel, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this gum tone gel, okay, this blue little gel over here, and I'm just going to put that over my gums. Let me first talk. Put that over my gums, and for a minute or two I'm going to really massage my gums properly and let that sit for 1 minute before I rinse it off. And I know many of you have written to me saying that this has completely healed your gum problems. So thank you for your feedback. So I'm just going to massage my gums. You can use a toothbrush, but I prefer using my finger because that's what my dentist told me, and my husband tells me too. Blood circulation around the gums is very, very important. So now I'm just going to rinse that off with water or mouthwash, and your oral hygiene routine is done. Alright, so now it is a morning skincare routine of mine, and I like to keep it simple. You guys know that I keep on telling you guys, find a product that resonates with your skin type and keep it extremely simple. You don't need 9 steps, 10 steps. You don't need all the products in the world. You just need the product that really suits you. So find a brand that resonates with you and use that and make it as simple as possible. Twice a week, I like to use like an exfoliating mask, kind of a brightening cleanser, like the Tribe Concept one. I love that. I just apply that all over the face. It also acts like a mask. I let that dry for about a minute or two before I exfoliate all the dead skin area. It's like a weekend ritual. And then I use it mid of the week, like on a Wednesday, and every other day I use a very mild cleanser, okay, fit enough for even sensitive skin. My latest discovery is the EPISOFT cleansing lotion. It is an absolute beauty of a cleansing lotion, one of the best. It is extremely gentle, but today being the weekend, I'm just going to exfoliate my face, and I'm using the Face Brightening Daily Cleanser. Again, another thing that I featured in the best of Tribe Concepts, another thing I have featured in the best of skincare 2019. I cannot wait to do the best of beauty products 2020. Oh my god, I've come across some really beautiful gems, but this has been standing strong again. So it's a women-owned brand. They provide job opportunities for people in the tribal area. They source their ingredients from various tribal areas. It's very, very sustainable, the packaging. It's organic, it's raw, it's, you know, it's just pure, okay? So that is why I said it's like going back to your roots with their skincare, okay? If this is not the one for you, then you should move on. They actually focus on Indian-based ingredients that really works. So when you start to use it, and over time, you're going to see that it brightens the face beautifully. It just helps in just fading that marks slightly, you know? It evens out your skin tone, because even if you have tanned, when you apply this mask on a regular basis, it just, you don't even have to exfoliate. You can just apply this as a mask. I like to use it sometimes as an exfoliator, sometimes exfoliator and mask, and sometimes mask on its own. You can mix it up with raw milk, or you can mix it up with yogurt. This has 12 beautiful ingredients, okay, that really resonates with Ayurveda at the same time. But the 4 that really stands out for me is sandalwood, which actually removes tan, and it's also got that anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also got manjista, which is very, very good for dark spots and for pigmentation. It's also got tunga masta, which is very good for pigmentation at the same time. It brightens the face. It's also got another beautiful ingredient called bavan chalu, which is basically bakuchi, and that has got an antibacterial, antifungal property. Made in India, they've got their trade and manufacturing license, all the ingredients, everything is listed in their website, okay? So they're very transparent in that way, and apparently they're coming out with their new packaging at the same time. So you get this little sustainable packaging. Like I said, again, cute thing. They give you a small little steel spoon. So this is how I apply all over my cheeks, my neck, my forehead, and especially around my nose area. So I'm gonna take about a minute, not more than that, to exfoliate my skin, and then I'm going to leave this on for about 2 to 3 minutes before I wash it off. So you can definitely try their body uptan as well, the body cleanser, which is also something that I love. Scrub the body, exfoliate the body with it. It's great for back acne as well as the acne on your arms. Because during Diwali, you've got the entire concept of Abhang Snan. So if you want to try out the body uptan also, you can go and check it out. Guys, anything to do with Ayurveda, herbal, new skincare, make sure that you patch test it. That is extremely important. Please remember, anything that you are buying, Ayurvedic, herbal, anything that has got no preservatives, make sure that you use it within 6 months, okay? Check the expiry date and do not cross more than the expiry date. Especially check the manufacturing date as soon as you open, use it within the 6 months. And that's the best part about preservative-free skincare, is that you don't hoard a lot of skincare, you will use exactly that. Now that my face is damp, I don't let it dry it completely as soon as I wash it off. I leave a little liquid on, as you can see. On top of that, I'm going to apply a facial mist. This is completely optional, but I do that. And right after that, I apply a hyaluronic acid. Now you can apply a moisturizer that's already got a hyaluronic acid. This is just to cut down one more step. For example, like the aloe green tea gel from Sugandha, you can go for the fragrance free. This has already got hyaluronic acid and it's more than enough. But I want today to apply just hyaluronic acid, okay? And this goes really well on top of a damp skin. I'm just gonna take a few drops of it, apply that, spread it out on my face, on my neck, and on my décolletage area, okay? And what it does is, applying this on top of a damp face, which I've always said that you should apply hyaluronic acid on top of a damp face so that it just sucks the moisture out of it, okay? It retains the moisture because if your face is dry and you put a hyaluronic acid, it just takes away the moisture that is already in your skin. So your skin tends to become a little more dehydrated. On top of this, I immediately go for either a vitamin C or a moisturizer. Right now, I think instead of a vitamin C serum, I want to go for a moisturizer. Guys, there's no rule in the book that you have to do this, that, this. So today I want my face to be a lot more hydrating because I did use a physical exfoliator. You can use a chemical one, physical one, whatever it is. But because I exfoliated my skin, that is why I want to add a lot more hydration. And I don't want to add an active so that in case what happens is when you remove the dead skin, it just gets a little sensitive. So I don't want to put any actives on top of that. With the hyaluronic acid, there is no playtime. Okay, whereas any other skincare, there is enough playtime. I would say 5 minutes between each skincare step. So I'm just going to apply. This is Emoline. I heard about this through Yashwan Skincare. I absolutely love him. I love his account. And then I asked my dermatologist and she actually suggested this. So this is something that usually that is prescribed by your skin doctor. But I have to say that I do have a combination skin and I do suffer from acne and acne scars, and this has not broken me out a bit. In fact, this is super hydrating on the skin, very, very affordable. I am in absolute love with this. Okay, so but I'm not sure if you have cystic acne whether this is something that I would suggest, but please ask your skin doctor before using this one for sure. So it's been 5 minutes. My last step is the sunscreen. This is the HelioCare Advanced Gel Sunscreen, one of my favorite. This has got a little bit of fragrance, but you do get a fragrance-free version also from HelioCare. HelioCare is something that everybody in the UK absolutely loves. I adore their sunscreen. In India, if you're looking out for an affordable version, something similar to this is La Shield or LA Shield, which you can get from Nykaa or anywhere else, and oh my god, it's beautiful. You get 50 plus, you get 40. I think 40 would suit dry skin more and 50 would suit an oily skin. This is just my opinion, okay? This is just what I gathered, but it just sits well on the skin. There's no fragrance to that. That is something that even dermatologists suggest, so please check that one out. And if you're looking out for a slightly premium kind of a sunscreen, then HelioCare it is. This is, like I said, available in many stores in the UK, but now they have got a distributor in India as well. I'm leaving the information right here, also below the video in the info bar. Go check out the information. Okay, and I'm going to apply that on my face, neck, on my décolletage area and back of my hand. Don't be aggressive with your sunscreen application. This is how you apply with your fingertips. Just create a protective shield around your skin. Okay, right on your hand, because this is where you age the most, as well as your neck. So please remember to do that always. Especially after an exfoliation, you've got to make sure that you apply sunscreen if you exfoliate in the morning. I'm going to let the sunscreen sit for 10 minutes. It's extremely important for you to let that penetrate, marinate for 10 minutes before you apply your makeup. Okay, go about, do the rest of your stuff. So this is how I always go about with my morning skincare routine. If you want me to go on with an elaborate morning skincare and night skincare, let me know and I shall do that video for you. But now I have to get ready, you guys. I have to clean her, bathe her, feed her, you know, pack the entire house in her bag just to go for a couple of hours to my uncle's house. And I shall see you once I'm ready. So guys, I'm ready. Have just worn a very simple makeup. This is Nykaa Jane Ultra Matte, and let me just show you what outfit I'm wearing. Yeah, and I've worn this very simple breezy kaftan. I got this from Alia by Stage 3. You have to check out their Instagram page, their website basically. I love the clothes from there, great material. Oh, okay, that's my daughter crying. So yeah, I better go.